And for the third and final part of this little part of the review, I guess, we're going to be taking a look at the accessories and the other kind of knickknacks that come with this set. And this is kind of where my opinion shifts a little bit from really praising it to slightly getting a bit more disappointed with it. But you know what? Let's just go ahead and take a look at it. Now, since we are on the theme of characters here, since we just took a look at Godzilla and Hedorah, we might as well take a look at the other Hedorah that comes in the set. Now, you might be wondering, what is this big, two-eyed piece of runny crap that was left on the toilet after it flushed? Well, I'll tell you what it is. This is the flying form of Hedorah, which, in all seriousness, this thing looks like an eel. So not an eel. Really? A ray. Like a stingray. That's what I meant to say. Not a... I am so stupid sometimes. But yeah, this thing looks like a stingray. But, minus the sting, so I guess just a ray. But yeah. Big two eyes, same thing as the other figure. Except I think this one actually has bigger eyes than the other one. Yeah, it kind of does. Although it doesn't carry the same kind of coloring, because I don't think it was like that in the movie either way. But it doesn't actually have like the same kind of coloring used on the other one, which I mean, it's probably like that in the film. But either way, it's still rather pretty good. But the dry brushing and sculpting here is actually still really nice, and here's a lot more of that detail. You have like the kind of sharp bristles here, and it's overall really good. Again, the eyes can carry that red to yellow, kind of greenish iris and the black pupils, and there's really not a whole lot of color variety outside the dry brushing and whatever kind of muted green, gray you want to find on this. So overall, pretty dang good figure. Now, he does come with a stand. This is the rod that you connected in. It's actually connected through here. Actually, I think it's this side. Because I remember one of the sides did stick in better than the other. Actually, I think it's this one. Come on. I don't understand. Okay, I feel like I'm going to break it. I've stuck it in before. Okay, hold on. There we go. Not really. I'll be right back. Okay, so after fighting with it for like a minute, I finally got the stand in correctly. I was probably putting it at the wrong angle, I think. But, yeah, copyright information right there. But, and also that is really tiny. See that? I think that's actually smaller than the Funko Pops. Just kind of want to point that out. But, oh, there we go. Look at that. But, so, yeah. He also comes with a base. What? You want me to show it? Oh, wait a minute. Here's where my problems start to really begin. See, mine didn't actually come with it. Yeah, after I recorded my unboxing, I realized that mine didn't actually come with the base for the flying form of Hedorah. And as a result, mine was completely... Like, mine didn't come with it. I bought mine mint. I bought mine from retail. And, yeah. There's supposed to be, like, a clear base that kind of looks like these bases. But crystal clear. Just like the rod itself. So... I can't really return this thing, I don't think. So I'm pretty much basically backed out into another corner, and I don't want to have to spend another like $60, $70. Also, that's the thing. $60, $70, Mezco? This was your doing. I mean, I'm just saying. I'd be a little bit more nicer to this had this been a cheaper figure. But you guys literally mass-produced these. You make these things and should check them, for that. It was a little slip up. I'll give you guys a little bit of slack. Cut you guys a little bit of slack at least. But I paid a good amount of money for this. And this honestly just... it kind of disappoints me. I've been collecting for like 8 years, and only this happened twice. This included. The only other time happened back in 2016 when I purchased a running press Godzilla, and it didn't come with arms. So, and that was like a $10 figure. So, Mezco, come on, please improve that. However, I did want to test this theory out. This is the stand that came with Rodan from the Destroy All Monsters Round 1 set. And if my guess is correct, then yep, it should be able to fit. So, crisis averted. But then this guy doesn't come with that. So, yeah, that's not so good. So even though this kind of outdoes the problem a little bit, with the money I paid for this set, I really should have gotten everything. I'm probably gonna try and see if I can get a replacement, or like not a replacement, an actual clear base. Hopefully someone's selling a spare part out there. But, we'll see what happens. Also, if anyone's wondering, no, I'm not going to be displaying it like this. Because of the way the stand is shaped, Hedorah is supposed to be like more towards the center for balancing purposes. This can easily just topple back with the slightest hint of a push. So yeah, not keeping it like this. So yeah, it does suck that mine didn't come with the crystal clear base. But, I mean, for what I did get, I'm probably just going to hunt one down on eBay or whatever. This is fine on its own. Not really fine on its own. I mean, you can't really... Boom, there you go. There goes, like, I'd say $10 this thing is worth in comparison to the other, what would be $20 for Godzilla and Hedorah each. So, yeah.